Stevo here with YETI Snow MX. Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about your strut adjustments and the different positions and what it does for handling. Every kit comes with a strut tool and a soft strut. When you're doing adjustments to your strut, it's important to have the skag on the ground and have your bike on a level surface. A good starting point is to get your seat angle and your fork angle as similar to what your bike runs in the summer. So you can easily do this using a simple app on your phone with an angle finder at the seat and at the fork. So when you change the length of your strut, it really affects how the bike handles. So the shorter you go on your soft strut, the more the back of the kit is going to kick up. The kit's going to want to wheelie a lot more. You're going to get a lot less ski pressure. At lower speed, it's going to be easier to handle. At higher speed, it could make the front a little skittish. Adversely, if you lengthen your soft strut, you can lower the rear of the kit, add more ski pressure. It'll be better for climbing, better for powder, and it'll hold a better line at higher speeds. Ultimately, it kind of comes down to personal preference on how you want your kit set up. If you go too far on either end of the spectrum, so if you run it too short or too long, you might find that the kit becomes really hard to handle. A good way to keep track of the changes that are happening at the back of your kit when you're adjusting your strut is to choose 2 points on the rail, one at the front and one at the back, and measure vertically from that point at the front and at the back. And depending on what you've done with your strut, then you can really keep track of the changes you've made. So once you're happy with how you've set your strut, you can then make finer adjustments if you choose to do so on the shocks on your skid or on the forks of your bike.